Welcome to our video on how to make money on Amazon Mechanical Turk as a beginner. Amazon Mechanical Turk or MTurk is a marketplace that connects businesses and individuals with a large on-demand workforce to complete small tasks. In this video, we will show you the basics of how to get started on MTurk and how to find and complete tasks that will earn you money. But let's begin by looking at the advantages to working on Amazon Mechanical Turk as a worker. Flexibility. One of the biggest advantages of working on MTurk is the flexibility it offers. You can work on hits whenever you have free time, and you don't have to commit to set a schedule. This makes it a great option for people who need to balance work with other commitments such as parenting or school. Number 2. Wide variety of tasks. MTurk has a wide variety of tasks available, from data entry and transcription to image and video annotation. This means that you can choose to work on tasks that you enjoy and that you are good at, and that you can develop skills in a range of areas. 3. Convenience. MTurk is a fully online platform, meaning you can access it from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. 4. Earnings potential. While some hits pay very low wages, others can pay quite well. It is possible to earn a decent income on MTurk if you are willing to put in the time and effort to find and complete high-paying hits. Now, let's look at how to get started on MTurk and how to find and complete tasks that will earn you money. Step 1. The first step to making money on MTurk is to create an account. This is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Go to the Amazon Mechanical Turk website and click on the Sign In button. Then, enter your Amazon account information or create a new Amazon account. Once you have an account, you'll be able to browse and complete tasks that are available on the platform. Let's check out step 2. Find tasks to complete. Once you have an account, you'll be able to browse tasks that are available on the platform. These tasks are called hits or human intelligence tasks. To find hits, go to the Find Hits tab on the top navigation bar. You can filter hits by keywords, category, and reward amount. You can also set them by the most recent or the most popular. It is important to note that you will need to complete a qualification test before you can start working on some hits. Let's go to step 3. Qualify for higher paying tasks. As you complete more hits, you may qualify for higher paying hits that require specific skills or qualifications. These tasks are called qualification hits. To qualify for these hits, you will need to take and pass a qualification test. You can find qualification hits by searching for them in the hit search or by going to the qualification tab on the top navigation bar. The higher qualifications you get, the more money you can earn. Also, the higher paying hits will require specific qualifications and a high accuracy rate. 4. Complete bonus tasks. Some requesters may offer bonus pay for completing a certain number of hits or for meeting a certain performance standards. You can find these hits by searching for the keyword bonus in the hit search. Also, some requesters may offer a bonus for completing a specific number of hits or for meeting specific performance standards. This is another way to increase your earning on the platform. Number 5. Refer other workers. Some requesters may offer referral bonuses for referring other workers to their hits. If you know friends or family who are also interested in making money on MTurk, this can be a great way to earn extra money. Number 6. Participate in MTurk forums and communities. Participating in MTurk forums and communities can help you learn about new hits and find higher paying hits that you may be qualified for. Also, you can get tips and advice from more experienced workers and find out about new opportunities and ways to increase your earning potential on the platform. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a great platform for making money as a beginner. By creating an account, finding tasks to complete, qualify or monotonous. So it's important to find a balance between earning money and enjoying the tasks you are completing. With patience and persistence, you can make a decent income on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in getting you started on your journey to making money on MTurk. Thank you.